What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Welcome back to what could possibly be the final comparison between base Pepes. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Well, it would appear that we have had a major update since my last video about 9 days ago. If you look at Blue Pepe, it's currently sitting at a $2.2 million market cap and it's trading at 9 zeros and 5392. And it's down 3.9% in the last 24 hours. Now, if we look at base Pepe 0x52, it is sitting at a $15 million market cap. And that is even with it being down 9% in the last 24 hours. I'm going to be completely honest. I was saying in my last video that I needed to see separation before I truly crowned base Pepe. I mean, realistically speaking, this is the separation that I was talking about. My whole thing with Blue Pepe is that I needed to see how it performed after Pepe on ETH got a breakout. Now, if you look at Pepe on ETH right now and you look at the daily time frame, you can see that is a clear breakout from the falling wedge. Pepe went from about a $2.9 billion market cap to a $4.5 billion market cap. And it actually almost hit a $5 billion market cap. And obviously during that same time period, Blue Pepe did absolutely nothing. Now, if you do look at their X account, Blue Pepe does still post in here. They posted on September 27th, but it's been about 3 days since they posted. And in terms of followers, they're at basically 4.7K, but they haven't really been growing at all. A lot of these are old followers. Now, if you look at the base Pepe X account, they're at 1,754 followers, but they post on here very often. In fact, they just posted on September 26th that they got listed on MEXC. This is awesome to see. Everybody loves centralized exchange listings for meme coins. And I also want to point out that they get significantly better engagement than Blue Pepe. Definitely in terms of where they're at from a follower standpoint. Now, I understand a lot of people out there still watch me for Blue Pepe. You guys have been watching me for a long time for this project. And I want to be crystal clear. I have not personally given up on the project. I absolutely could see a reality where Blue Pepe starts marketing again and they explode. But right now, it is very difficult for me to recommend Blue Pepe as opposed to base Pepe. Even just look at the base Pepe chart. It looks so much better. This is a very healthy chart right now. If you look at the Blue Pepe chart on the daily time frame, it looks terrible. It really does. You can see it had the massive parabolic run, and then ever since then, it's just been bleeding out. Now, if you guys have been watching my Blue Pepe video since the beginning, you were here for this massive run, so you probably still made very good money. We bought this project on day 2, so we watched it run from about a $1 million market cap to around a $49 million market cap. $25 million if you don't count the massive $250,000 buy. But still, a lot of people probably made a lot of good money. But at this point, there's nobody that can sit here and say that this chart looks better than the base Pepe chart. Base Pepe is a very healthy looking chart. Now, at the moment, I wouldn't be shocked if it does pull back a little bit. Obviously, it is already down 9% in the last 24 hours, but it did have a very explosive move. So don't be shocked if it continues flagging out before we see another explosive move. And the other reason that it might continue to get a pullback would be because of Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is about to lose the 200-day moving average. Right now, it's basically trading on that level. This is a level that we do not want to lose. But if we do lose it, then I would expect Bitcoin to come down and retest the 21-day, which is this white line right here. And if you look at the RSI and stochastics, they're both still very overbought. So it would actually make sense for us to probably lose this level. But what I do also want to point out for Bitcoin is the 4-hour time frame. You guys can see right here, we have a strong Class A bullish divergence. Price action swings from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low. So usually this does signal a local bottom. And we also have very oversold stochastics. So there is a chance that Bitcoin on the 4-hour does get a very nice bounce. And we are still holding above the 200-day moving average. So right now, Bitcoin is very indecisive. But again, the daily time frame does not look phenomenal. I don't love that we're about to lose the 200-day. So whether or not you guys are a base Pepe believer or a Blue Pepe believer, just be very careful in the short term. There's definitely a chance that we go a bit lower. Everyone is expecting this super explosive October, and I'm not saying that that can't happen, but I've also been saying for my last several videos that we need to see Bitcoin pull back first. Nothing goes up forever, and Bitcoin was getting extremely overbought. If you go back through Bitcoin's history and you look at the stochastics on the daily time frame, every single time they are up here for this long, we do see a pullback. But yeah, I've got to be completely honest. I am very impressed with base Pepe. They just continue to pump and pump and pump. And you have to understand, I obviously have been posting videos about Blue Pepe for a long time now. And I've been saying the entire time that base chain needs a Pepe. And I'm going to stand by that. Base chain does need a Pepe. But if Blue Pepe gets beat out and base Pepe is the one that wins at the end of the day, then I don't know what to tell you. You have to be able to adapt in crypto. And right now it is looking like base Pepe is the clear winner. Now, obviously only time will tell. But if I personally was going to suggest a base Pepe to someone, I probably would choose this one right now. But whenever you guys finish watching this video, you should come over and give your boy a follow on X, at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining. We have been making some huge gains in here. For example, Brett on ETH was called by one of my community members at a $200,000 market cap, and I posted a buy alert on May 5th. And then Brett on ETH ran up to over a $47 million market cap. That is well over a 200x. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment would have been worth well over $200,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I recommend coming over and clicking this link on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. All of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always understand your own risk tolerance. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments which base Pepe will end up winning. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.